Hey everyone, my name is Murdoch X, and thanks for watching this painting here. And I'm gonna try to make a lot of commentaries. It's been a while. So this one is called the Soul Wave Bird. Yeah, this was inspired by the actual song. If you're not familiar, it's the Slipknot song, and I grew up with Slipknot, listening to them when I was a little younger, and I was at that concert before they released their newest album, "We Are Not Your Kind," and this is inspiration for this painting. And then it's supposed to be Kit discovering this creature in an underbelly of a landscape that's just steaming with like just like volcanic ashes. And then the song was like one of my favorite songs on the album, and it just felt like it just felt like dark, but it's a lot of patterns and vibe of the classic Slipknot. So, and then I think I started with like a maggot kind of character, just because of the Slipknot, what they call their fans. This is it right here. This is it. And was also I was in a museum. I think it was in Barcelona that I went to, and there was this patterned vase that I got really inspired. I didn't take a picture, but I just always remembered it, and I'm just trying to recreate it somehow. And this is what I came up with. And I believe I was listening to this song throughout the whole process. I remember I was just like driving to work, and I was listening to this song every day since it came out. And then the whole process of this painting too. I think I was just listening to the whole album. But yeah, the color was I wanted to give that like neutral deep green yellow vibe. That's almost like nightmarish, but very rich. That's like rich. It was like rich, deep bass. At the moment, I remember it was like that range of color, that green and brown kind of color, is always seems to be like in a darker tone, and it feels like it's just really rich color. Like there's a lot of subtleties in greens and the yellow in that dark tone. I don't see that often, really. And just like that, just like similar to that song, it was a lot of that bass and a lot of kick and a lot of drum. Oh yeah, I remember that setup. Look at that. Look at my setup. Look at that setup. Oh, I forgot that I actually had my webcam on. Dude, I don't know. Now I move my PC back like all the way to the right. I just couldn't. I don't have enough space in the front. I was blocking my window too. But anyway, so yeah, I'm adding highlights here. This theme is supposed to be like it's like a breaking down creature, and it's just like it's so much heat inside there. Then I tried to have like some sort of pillared pattern. It's supposed to be holding this cave like environment. And then wooden wings. And then I was gonna create like multiple arms, because at this point I was drawing a lot of forearm and hand, because I've been doing a lot of hand drawing, and then I realized that maybe I should put forearms in it. Otherwise, just like floating hands in my sketchbooks, and that's probably why I had two hands here, two arms, and at at first it was multiple arms. It was supposed to be multiple arms, and I realized it was too much, because there's already a pattern in the body, and then it was just gonna be too many pattern in the actual character, plus with the pattern on the environment pillar. It would just fight. It would just be too much contrast, and the texture is just gonna be insane. it won't be any balance with the like the simple background that I had. I think I added Kit there. I think at first it was supposed to be Kit just hiding from this creature on the lower right. And then I think the story is just having him under, because these creatures don't really have any no vision. So it's all just like a worm feeling the landscape by touching it. And like the pattern, that pattern on the skin is supposed to be senses too. It's like their touch, feeling, sense. And on the right, I have just a black and white because I was putting in more patterns in this creature and the pillar that it's overwhelming the central picture. So I'm trying to simplify it with the shadow pattern. The lighting is simple to have a centerpiece. Was it the purple bird? Purple bird. But I think that's all I have here. And then it's all just detail. A lot of tangents. Just like this video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I think you already know what to do. Peace.